24 divided by 3 by 5 times parenthesis 3 plus 2. Okay, so 24 divided by 3 by 5 and 3 plus 2, which equals to 5. Again 5 times 5 cancel. 24 divided by 3, which will give 8 as answer. Do you think this is the right answer? Actually this is not the right answer, and if you have solved already, then comment your answer to get featured in the shortcut list. I will solve with the help of PEMDAS here and simple math, nothing else. Okay, so we will rewrite our question here. 24 divided by 3 by 5 parenthesis 3 plus 2. So according to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to parenthesis. E for parenthesis, E for exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we will solve for this parenthesis part first. 3 plus 2, which equals to 5. So we will write here 24 divided by 3 by 5 times 5. Now here is a catch that there are two operations, which is this division and multiplication, and as we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to operate left to right. So we will operate left to right here, and in that case we have to operate this division first, which we can see there is a fraction part which is 3 by 5. So we will use here the KCF, keep change flip. So we will keep this 24 as it is, and this division will be changed to multiplication, and 3 by 5 will be changed to 5 by 3. And again rewrite here like this. Now we will solve 3 times 3 into 8, which equals 24. So we will write here 8 times 5 times 5 divided 1, or we can say 8 times 5, that is equal to 40 times 5. This one can be removed, like this is nothing. 40 times 5 is equal to 20, that is equal to 200. So here right answer is 200. And if you found this video helpful or informational, then like this video. You must check out these two videos which I am suggesting you to solve these math videos, and like this video and subscribe to channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.